Welcome to Top Reviews Lab. The best dish soap is probably one of the most essential items in any kitchen, silently working to tackle grease and grime after every meal, yet its importance is often overlooked in the quest for sparkling clean dishes and a hygienic kitchen environment. Choosing the right dish soap can significantly impact not only the cleanliness of your cookware but also the health of your hands and the planet, making it a surprisingly crucial decision for everyday life. We're diving deep into what makes a dish soap truly stand out, from its cleaning power to its environmental footprint, to help you make an informed choice for your home. Number 5. Dawn Powerwash Dish Soap Starter Kit. Introducing Dawn Powerwash, a revolutionary dish soap designed to tackle grease and grime effortlessly. Experience a new way to clean your dishes. It removes 99% of grease and grime in half the time compared to traditional dish soaps. Get your dishes sparkling clean faster than ever before. Our advanced formula is 5 times faster at cutting through grease. This means less scrubbing and more time for you. Unlike regular dish soaps, it features 3 unique cleaning boosters. These work together to provide a powerful clean that cuts through tough messes. Achieve the cleaning power of an overnight soak in just minutes. The suds activate on contact, even without water, making cleanup a breeze. For everyday messes, simply spray, wipe, and rinse. For tougher jobs, let the suds sit for a moment before wiping away the grime. Save money and reduce waste by reusing the sprayer bottle. Convenient refill options are available, making it an eco-friendly choice. What we like? This product is designed for speed and convenience. Its suds activate instantly, cutting through grease in half the time of traditional soaps. If you're looking for a quick and efficient way to tackle everyday messes and want to reduce waste with refillable options, this is the one for you. What people say. The bristles are firm enough to scrub effectively but gentle enough not to scratch surfaces. The ergonomic handle provides a comfortable grip, making it easy to maneuver around pots and pans. The natural wood handle is durable and develops a beautiful patina over time. Number 4. Finish All-in-One Powerball Dishwasher Detergent Tablets. Tired of scrubbing baked-on lasagna or dried oatmeal? Our powerful cleaners tackle the toughest food residues, making removal effortless. No more pre-soaking or pre-rinsing needed. These tablets are designed to cut through grease and scrub away burnt and dried-on food. They provide a powerful clean that leaves your dishes spotless. Each tab is individually wrapped, offering a pre-measured dose of detergent. This eliminates guesswork and ensures you use the perfect amount every time. They dissolve completely for a hassle-free experience. Experience a brilliant shine with our rinse agent action. It helps rinse away residues, preventing spots and film for truly sparkling dishes. Trust the brand that dishwashing experts worldwide recommend. We are the leading choice for dishwashing solutions, ensuring exceptional results. Enjoy a fresh scent with this pack of 94 tabs. Get the powerful cleaning you need with the convenience you desire. What we like? This is the ultimate solution for tough, baked-on food. Its powerful formula eliminates the need for pre-soaking or pre-rinsing, saving you time and effort. If you frequently deal with stubborn, dried-on residues and want a hassle-free, sparkling clean finish every time, these are your go-to. What people say. Each tab is a cleaning powerhouse that works effectively to remove even the toughest of food residues. Notably, the tablets do not leave any filmy residue on the dishes, a common issue with many other dishwasher detergents. Each tablet is individually packaged, making it easy to use just the right amount of detergent without any mess or waste. Number 3. OXO Good Grips Dish Brush. Introducing the OXO Good Grips Dish Brush, designed to tackle tough messes. Its durable nylon bristles effectively scrub away baked-on food and grease without scratching your non-stick cookware. The flared brush head with angled bristles easily reaches into corners of pots, pans, and bottles. Get a thorough clean with less effort, ensuring fresher results every time. Featuring a built-in scraper, this brush quickly lifts stubborn, stuck-on food from cookware and bakeware. This means less soaking time and faster, easier cleanup after every meal. Clean with confidence thanks to the non-slip handle. Its soft, comfortable grip stays secure even when wet, providing full control while tackling greasy pans and tough cookware. When it's time to clean the brush itself, simply place it in the dishwasher. It's conveniently dishwasher safe, keeping your essential kitchen tool fresh and hygienic. What we like. This tool is perfect for those who want a thorough clean without damaging their cookware. The durable nylon bristles and built-in scraper tackle tough messes, while being safe for non-stick surfaces. If you value protecting your cookware and need a versatile brush that's also easy to clean itself, consider this option. What people say. The nylon bristles are firm enough to remove stuck-on food without scratching, and the built-in scraper lifts off tough residue with almost no effort. The handle feels sturdy, comfortable, and non-slip even when wet. It cleans plates, pans, and utensils quickly and holds up well after repeated use. The bristles are firm enough to clean, but still flexible and forgiving, which makes them safe for non-stick surfaces. They get into ridges and corners without scraping or scratching. Number 2. Mamison Reusable Waterproof Dishwashing Gloves. Crafted from high-quality, soft rubber, these gloves offer a comfortable and safe experience. They are designed to be gentle on your skin, preventing allergic reactions and leaving no unpleasant odors. Finally, you can tackle dishwashing without worry. These gloves provide the protection you need, even if you have sensitivities to detergents or water. Featuring a practical design with textured palms and fingers, they ensure a secure grip. The extended cuffs are designed to keep water out, offering complete protection. This pack includes 2 pairs, allowing you to designate them for different tasks. They are an indispensable tool for simplifying your daily chores. Perfect for a wide range of cleaning activities, including kitchen tasks, dishwashing, car washing, and general household chores. They are also great for pet care. What we like. These gloves are ideal for anyone who needs to protect their hands while doing dishes or other household chores. Made from soft, odor-free rubber, they offer a secure grip and keep your hands dry and safe from harsh detergents. If you have sensitive skin or simply want an extra layer of protection and comfort during cleaning, these are a great choice. What people say. The quality is noticeably better than the usual grocery store gloves, thick enough to protect from hot water when washing dishes, yet flexible enough to scrub and clean without feeling bulky. They keep my hands completely dry and shielded from harsh chemicals and the dryness I usually get from hot or hard water. The non-slip texture is great too, especially when handling soapy dishes. They're thick but very flexible. Recommend these gloves and will continue to buy. Number 1. LOLA Dish Brush W Soap Dispenser Wand. Meet the LOLA Dish Brush, your new kitchen essential. It's designed to make cleaning dishes, sinks, and cookware a breeze. This tool features a super absorbent sponge scrubber and a convenient soap dispensing handle. Its light-duty fiber sponge is perfect for tackling tough messes without scratching surfaces. Its ultra-slim design allows it to easily clean narrow openings in tumblers, vases, and bottles. Get a 360-degree deep clean every time. Cleaning is simple, just rinse the sponge head after use. Replacement heads are easy to snap on and off, and you get 6 refills with your purchase. Achieve a rich foam with just a small amount of dish soap. It's designed for high foam, low soap efficiency. Proudly brought to you by LOLA Products, an American family-owned company with over 50 years of experience. What we like. This product is designed for those who appreciate efficiency and deep cleaning in tight spaces. The integrated soap dispenser reduces clutter, and its narrow, flexible design reaches into bottles, vases, and other hard-to-clean items. If you're looking for a tool that makes cleaning intricate items effortless and provides a thorough clean from all angles, this is the perfect fit. What people say. This brush allows law of physics gravity to eject enough soap for dishwashing. Additional, easily changeable brush heads included in this order support value for cost. The soap does come out well, not too quickly, so that is a plus, and it does suds up good. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.